What was new nearly 100 years ago has come full circle and is back again. It's a process called siping. Never heard of it? Well, you probably will before too long. If you look at your tires closely, you'll see that there are small cuts in the tire tread that are usually razor thin. These tiny cuts are molded into the tread when the tire is made, and they help improve traction and wear. These hairline cuts in the tread are called sipes. Now, here is where a scam might come in. You buy new high-tech tires and the salesperson suggests that they have a cheap process that will make your new tires last longer and perform better, especially on ice and in snow. The process they're talking about is aftermarket siping, and it involves cutting more grooves into the new tire's tread. Whoa, let's back up, Buttercup, because although nearly 100 years ago, tire siping had a minimal positive effect on tires, that was before computers and computer-aided design. Today, tires are highly evolved and usually have sipes already molded into the tread to help provide better traction. When you have tires siped today, you stand a very good chance of destroying the high-tech features designed and built into a modern tire. In order to sipe a tire, the tire tech uses a tool that has a very hot blade or saw to melt or cut grooves into the tire. If heat is used, the heat can change the chemical composition on either side of the newly melted sipes, sometimes leading to rapid deterioration of the rubber in the heated area. Not only that, but melting or cutting sipes into the rubber can upset the computer-designed properties of the tire. For instance, the factory sipes may be molded in such a manner as to make the tire not only grip well, but also be quiet. Aftermarket sipes may make the tire less grippy and noisier. So the bottom line here is, for most high-tech tires, siping probably isn't a good idea. But if you're talking about simple truck tires that have big, solid lugs and are designed primarily for off-road use, siping may improve the on-road grip of your mudders. But remember, for the average high-tech car, the siping is mostly a way to make money for the tire store. Certainly something to think about before you spend $60 to $100 that might give you an ever so slight improvement in grip for some basic tires, but could be seriously detrimental to modern high-tech tires. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, and for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently. See you next time, right here in Goss's Garage.